Yes student, now we have done number name till 100 and now we will start what comes after and what comes before. Student, जैसे कि हम काउंटिंग रीड करते हैं तो वी रीड नंबर वन बाय वन, लाइक 1, then after that 2, then 3, then 4, then after that 5, then after 6, after 7, after 8, after 9, then 10. In this way the number which come नेक्स्ट टू दैट नंबर, जो भी नंबर उस नंबर के नेक्स्ट आता है दैट कम्स आफ्टर, जो भी उस नंबर के बाद में आता है दैट कम्स आफ्टर, यानी कि वो उस नंबर के बाद में आता है और दैट इज़ द नंबर विच विल कम आफ्टर. यानी कि इफ़ समबडी सेड व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 9 तो वी विल से 10, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 89 वी विल से 90. इन दिस वे और वी विल राइट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर. नाउ व्हाट कम्स बिफोर, जो नंबर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर नंबर के पहले लिखते हैं दैट कम्स बिफोर. लाइक अगर हम बात करते हैं 9, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर, वी टोल्ड यू 10, एंड व्हाट कम्स बिफोर इट इज़ 8. तो हम एक नंबर से एक पोजीशन पहले और नंबर के एक पोजीशन बाद, दैट इज़ व्हाट कम्स बिफोर और व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर. आफ्टर का मतलब होता है बाद में एंड बिफोर का मतलब होता है पहले, उससे जस्ट एक स्टेप पहले. वी कैन फाइंड आउट द number what comes after and what comes before by adding one or by subtracting one. We can find plus 1, we can find out by doing plus 1 what comes after, and we can subtract minus 1 to find out what comes before. कि पहले क्या आता है, अगर हमें पहले वाला नंबर फाइंड आउट करना होता है तो वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम दैट नंबर, और अगर हमें व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर फाइंड आउट करना होता है तो वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट माइनस, वी कैन ऐड plus 1, we can do plus 1 and we can find out after comes. Now we can see that there is a question on this in this notebook. Here is a page, here is a train, and the number is 34. The number is 34. Now we can see that before 34 we can find out by minus subtracting 1. If we say that 34 में से जब हम 1 माइनस करेंगे we will get 33, and 1 प्लस करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 35. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट द नंबर व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर एंड व्हाट कम्स बिफोर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 68. द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 68. 68 में से जब हम 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 67, एंड इफ वी विल ऐड 1 देन वी विल गेट 69. देन 64. द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 64. बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1 वी विल गेट 63. That comes before. By adding 1 we will get 65, that is after. The next number is 12. If we will subtract 1 from 12 we will get 11. If we will add 1 in 12 we will 13. So what comes before is 11 and what comes after is 13. The next number is 29. By subtracting 1 we will get 28, and the number comes before 29 is 28. By adding 1, if we will add 1 in 29 we will get 30, that is comes number 30 comes after 29. The next number is 92. 92 में से if we will subtract 1 then we will get 91, and if we will add 1 we will get 93. So the number what comes before is 91 and what comes after is 93. Then 84. 84, if we subtract minus 1 then we will get 83, and if we will add 1 we will get 5. Sorry, 84 plus 1 is 85. So what comes before is 83 and what comes after is 85. Then 56. If we will subtract 1 from 56 we will get 55. So what comes before is 55. If we will add 1 we will get 57, and then what comes after is 57. Then number is 51. If we will subtract 1 from 51 then we will get 50 as answer, and then 51 plus 1 is equal to 50. So what comes before is 50 and what comes after is 52. Then 84. 84 plus 1 is equal to 85, yani what comes after is 85. 84 minus 1 is 83, it means what comes before is 83. Then 56. 56 minus 1 is equal to 55, and 6 plus 1 is equal to 57. It means what comes before is 55 and what comes after is 57. Then 51. 51 minus 1 is equal to 50 and 51 plus 1 is equal to 52. What comes before is 50 and what comes after is 52. The next number is 70. If we will subtract 1 from 70, we will get 69. So what comes before is 69 and what comes after is 71. Then 39. If we will subtract 1 from 39, we will get 38. Then if we will add 1 in 39, we will get 40. So what comes before is 38 and what comes after is 40. Then 69. 69 में से अगर हम 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं we will get 68. So what comes before is 68 and what comes after, that is plus 1 is equal to 70. So what comes after is 70. 82. 82 minus 1 is equal to 81. 81, what comes before is 81. Then 82 plus 1 is equal to 83. It means 83, what comes after is 83. Then 90. If we will subtract 1 from 90, we will get 89. Then if we will add 1, then we will get 91. So what comes before is 89 and what comes after is 91. Then 41. If we will subtract 1 from 40, 41, we will get 40. So what comes before is 40 and if we will add 1 in 41, we will get 42. Then it means what comes after is 42. In this way you can complete this work in book. Many students have done. Those who have not done, they can now do this work in their book. Now compare. Compare means to say we have to find out the smaller number and bigger number. The number which is small, we will put the smaller sign, and the number which is greater than, we will put the small sign of greater than in this block. You can see here, you can see the question. And now we can see that 35 and 52. Student, we have done crocodile's mouth in our earlier classes. हम उस साइन को crocodile mouth बोलते हैं. Wherever the mouth is open, that is bigger number, and the corner side is the smaller number. जिधर भी the arrow का मुंह खुला हुआ है, that is बिगर नंबर, और जहाँ पर भी कॉर्नर 1 पॉइंट आउट करता है, दैट इज़ द स्मॉलर नंबर. तो हमें बिगर नंबर की तरह हमेशा साइन को ओपन रखना है, और जो कॉर्नर साइड होती है वो छोटे नंबर की तरफ होती है. एंड द नंबर विच आर बोथ सेम फ्रॉम ऑन द बोथ साइड, जो नंबर बिल्कुल सेम होते हैं, लाइक 13, 13, 89, 89, 73, 73, दीज आर द नंबर विच आर इक्वल, टोटली इक्वल नंबर. सो वी विल पुट साइन इक्वल टू साइन इन ऑन दोज number. So student, 35 and 52. So which number is bigger? That is 52. So we will open the the sign, open mouth of the sign we will put towards 52, and the 35 is smaller. Then 40 and 74. So which is bigger in this? That is 74, because 44 is smaller than 7 and series 70 is bigger than 40 series. Then 45 and 30. So which is bigger? 45. So we will put the sign towards 45. Then 84, 77. 84 or 77 में से which is bigger? That is 84, because 80 is bigger than 70. Then 38 and 64. It is clear that 64 is bigger because 6 is bigger series, 60 is bigger series than 30. So 64 is bigger than 38. Then 51 and 39. 51 and 39. So which is bigger? That is 51. Yes, we will put the sign towards 51. Then 43 and 43. On the both hand side we have seen that there are 43. So 43 is equal to 43. 43 के equal ही है, चाहे वो किसी भी side लिखा हो. So we will put the sign of equal to. Then 78 and 28. 79 and 28. Then which is bigger? Yes, it is 79. So we will put the signs, the opener sign towards 79. Then 99 and 89. So which is bigger? This is 99. Then 23 and 22. Yes, 23 is bigger than 22. There is difference only of one number, but yes, 23 is bigger than 22. Then 66 and 77. Yes, again there is a difference of 11. now 77 is bigger than 66. 6 and 16. 16 is bigger than 6 because there is a single digit number, and the other side there we have double digit number. So 16 is bigger than 6. Then 98 and 89. 98 and 89. We can see that the digits are twisted. On left hand side we have 98. 9 is at the place of tens, and in the right hand side we have 89. At the tens place we have seen 8. So which is bigger? That is 98. 90 की सीरीज 89 से 80 की सीरीज से बड़ी होती है. So the number 98 is bigger than 89. Now 18 and 18. On the both hand side we have 18. So again we will use the sign of equal to, because both number are totally equal. Then 30 and 49. एक तरफ 30 है, दूसरी तरफ 49 है. Now we can see that series of 40 is bigger than 30, so 49 is bigger than 30. Student, at the end of the video I will send some worksheet type questions, and you can do in your rough notebook, or you can do it in your homework notebook. Now encircle the greater number in each set. आपको इनमें से ग्रेटर नंबर, आपको बड़े वाला नंबर सर्कल करना है. देयर इज़ अ पेयर ऑफ नंबर, यहाँ पर पेयर है नंबर का, उनमें से एक बड़ा नंबर है, एक छोटा नंबर है. देन यू हैव टू कंपेयर. अभी तक हमने साइन लगाए थे, वी वर पुटिंग साइन ऑन दैट, बट नाउ वी आर सर्कलिंग द नंबर विच इज़ greater. I think which is greater. Yes, which is greater. We have to circle the number which is greater. In second pair we have 64 and 87. 64 and 87. So the number 87 is bigger, and we will circle the number 87. Now 55 and 0. 55, obviously we have 55 is much bigger than 0. So it is 55. We will put a circle on 55. Then 7 and 31. 7 and 31. Again in 7 there is single digit number, and in 31 we have double digit number. So the number 31 is bigger than 7. So we will circle the number 31. 61 and 99. 61 and 99. We know this thing that 99 is bigger than 61. So we will circle the number 99. 32 and 20. So which is bigger? It is 32. The number 32 is bigger than 20. So what we will circle? We will circle 32. 43 and 42. Yes, 43 and 42. The number from same series. There is only difference between these two number. The number 1. एक ही नंबर का डिफरेंस है, बट बिगर इज ऑलवेज बिगर. सो 43 इज बिगर देन 42. सो वी विल सर्कल 43. Then 9 and 1. 9 and 1. 1 is the smallest single digit number. 9 is the largest single digit number. So which is bigger? That is 9. So we will circle number 9. Then 48 and 59. 48 and 59. Which is bigger? 59. So we will circle the number 59. In this way we will find out the number which is greater than. इन दोनों नंबर्स में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है. स्टूडेंट, वी कैन फाइंड आउट दीज नंबर इन फ्यू मैनर्स. लाइक वी कैन सी दैट विच नंबर इज़ ऑन टेंथ प्लेस. जो हमारे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो भी नंबर है वो कौन सा नंबर है. अगर दोनों हैंड साइड पे हमारे सेम नंबर है, लाइक इधर भी 2 डिजिट नंबर है, इधर भी 2 डिजिट नंबर है, तो हम देखेंगे वेरी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कौन सा नंबर है, और वी विल कंपेयर बोथ द नंबर. अगर हमारा जो भी कंपेयर करने के बाद बड़ा नंबर आता है, इट विल बी बिगर. देन वी कैन सी दैट कि एक तरफ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर है, एक तरफ डबल डिजिट नंबर है, तो वी नो दिस थिंग, द नंबर विच हैव डबल डिजिट विल बी ग्रेटर. In this way we can find out the greater number or the smallest number. The question can be asked that circle the smallest number. तो आपको जो दोनों पेयर में से जो भी स्मॉल नंबर होगा, you have to find out that number. अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है कि ग्रेटर नंबर, तो आपको जो भी बड़ा नंबर है उसको सर्कल करना होता है. Now you people can solve these type of sum very easily. You can find out these type of sum कि कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है, कौन सा नंबर छोटा है. यू कैन सर्कल दीज नंबर, यू कैन put the sign of greater than and smaller than and equal to easily. This is the way. And now you can find out the what comes after and what comes before. We will do in next class, we will do ascending and descending order, and we will find out the smallest and greatest number from the pair. We can as we have find out the greatest number, in the same way we can find out the smaller number also. And in next class we will also do the ascending order and descending order, and few work will be given about these question will be in next class. Till that time you will complete the counting in your homework notebook, and you will write down the smallest and greatest digit of single digit and double digit in your homework notebook. So there are two homework in today's class. One, write counting from 1 to 100 and write down the smallest and largest single digit number or double digit number. Student, I hope you will work neatly and cleanly, and after completing work, send your work on the same day so that I can check the work and revert it back to you. Okay, till that next class, bye bye.